Hi, I'm Pete, and I'm here to introduce you to the 3M product range. At 3M, we are passionate about innovation, especially when it comes to making high-quality respirators that workers not only need to wear, but want to wear. The 3M 4000 series maintenance-free reusable respirators, incorporating unique filter technology, are half masks designed for effective and comfortable protection against respiratory hazards throughout industry. The built-in gas, vapour and particulate filters help make this a versatile one-piece, maintenance-free mask with no need for filter replacement between uses. This mask includes a low-profile design to give you a clear field of vision so you can focus more easily on your tasks. Heat and moisture build-up is a common problem with respirators, but the 3M 4000 series all feature a centrally positioned exhalation valve to remove heat and moisture more effectively, making this a more comfortable option. You can make sure of a comfortable and secure fitting by using the mask's adjustable head cradle and easy-to-fasten neck straps. The 3M 4000 series respirators can be reused time and time again, proving to be cost-effective and, if disposed of within 1 month, doesn't require any maintenance records. To help keep the masks clean in between uses, we've included a resealable bag with all models. And to help prolong the life of your respirator, we've created the 3M 400 Overspray Guard as a valuable accessory. The 3M 4000 series respirators are well suited to a variety of workplace environments and industries. With its maintenance-free construction, reusable filters, low-profile design, centrally positioned exhalation valve, and its adjustable and secure fit, you'll find the 3M 4000 series maintenance-free reusable respirators offer exceptional quality and comfort. And as one of our most popular products, we've received fantastic customer feedback about its performance. The 3M 4000 series maintenance-free reusable respirators, offering comfort without compromise.